Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how to treat heartburn naturally, herbal acidity relief cure. Heartburn is actually a very common and unpleasant problem nowadays. It makes us feel like someone has lit a bonfire in the chest. It has been estimated that 60% of the people in USA are suffering from the problem of heartburn. It gives the sour taste in the mouth. It is most common after taking meals, but sometimes it can also awaken people while they are sleeping. It can also lead to shortness of breath, radiation in your neck and arms. It also leads to the dizziness or cold sweat. If you are having this problem, you should treat heartburn naturally. Turmeric is considered as the world's best antibacterial. A compound present in turmeric called the curcumin, which helps in killing all the bad and toxic bacteria in the stomach. It really helps in giving relief during heartburn and helps in boosting up our immune system. It is like herbal acidity relief cure. Lemon is also suggested as it cures against the heartburn. It contains a vitamin called vitamin C that increases the immunity and that result in curing the heartburn. It not also cures the heartburn but also detoxifies our body. It is natural treatment for acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar is also very helpful home remedy that cures the heartburn. It is also suggested for the patients of constipations as it used as a natural tonic that help in opening all the blood vessels of our body. This is best acidity natural treatment. Honey is also used in order to cure the heartburn. It consists of 22 kinds of amino acids that are beneficial for our stomach health. Herbozyme capsules are a great way through which you can get relief from acidity. There are certain OTC antacids available in market that can resolve the problem of acidity, but these antacids only give the temporary relief from the acidity with certain side effects. Using of antacids can even increase your problem rather than resolving it. But these herbozyme capsules are free of side effects and help in nullifying the acids present in the stomach in order to provide relief. With the regular consumption of these herbal capsules you can get rid of digestive disorders. These herbal pills promote regular hunger and also establish healthy eating pattern. It prevents untimely hunger. The capsules protect the internal digestive organs of our stomach from excessive acidity and gas. Take 1 or 2 pills twice a day after breakfast and dinner with milk and water for effective results. The pills are completely safe and free from side effects. You can find more details about herbozyme capsules at natureagain.com. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.